The decision to outsource your bookkeeping can be a game changer for many small and medium-sized businesses. It frees up valuable time, provides access to expert financial guidance, and ensures accuracy and compliance. However, the prospect of handing over your financial reins to an external team can also feel daunting. This is where a smooth and effective onboarding process becomes absolutely critical. If you're considering Bookkeeper 360, a prominent provider of outsourced accounting solutions, you're likely wondering, what is the Bookkeeper 360 onboarding process like? As an accounting software expert who has seen countless businesses transition their financial management, I can tell you that a well-structured onboarding process is the cornerstone of a successful client-provider relationship. It sets the stage for accurate bookkeeping, clear communication, and ultimately, peace of mind for the business owner. Bookkeeper 360, understanding this criticality, has developed a streamlined and client-focused onboarding journey. The philosophy behind Bookkeeper 360's onboarding. Bookkeeper 360's onboarding isn't just about collecting documents. It's about building a foundational understanding of your business. Their philosophy revolves around a few key principles. Personalization. They recognize that no two businesses are exactly alike. The onboarding process is designed to understand your unique industry, operational flow, existing systems, and specific financial needs. Transparency. From the outset, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps involved, who your key contacts will be, and what information is required from your end. Efficiency. While thorough, the process is designed to be as efficient as possible, minimizing disruption to your daily operations. Education. For clients new to outsourced bookkeeping or certain software, the onboarding process also serves as an educational phase, clarifying how things will work. Step by step, a walkthrough of the Bookkeeper 360 onboarding process. While the exact steps might vary slightly based on the complexity of your business and the services you've chosen, here's a general overview of what you can expect during the Bookkeeper 360 onboarding journey. Phase 1. Initial consultation and needs assessment. The journey typically begins with an initial consultation, often a discovery call with a Bookkeeper 360 representative. This isn't part of the formal onboarding yet, but it's crucial for laying the groundwork. Your role. You'll discuss your business type, industry, current financial challenges, the services you're interested in, e.g., basic bookkeeping, payroll, tax support, advisory, your current accounting software, if any, and your goals. Bookkeeper 360's role. They'll listen, ask clarifying questions, and explain their service offerings. This helps them determine if they're a good fit for your needs and which service package would be most appropriate. Phase 2. Proposal and agreement. After the initial assessment, if there's a mutual fit, Bookkeeper 360 will provide a detailed proposal outlining the scope of services, pricing, and terms. Your role. Review the proposal carefully, ask any remaining questions, and once satisfied, sign the service agreement. Bookkeeper 360's role. Present a clear, comprehensive proposal and answer all your queries to ensure you're comfortable moving forward. Phase 3. The dedicated onboarding specialist and kickoff. This is where the formal onboarding truly begins. You'll typically be assigned a dedicated onboarding specialist or a client success manager who will be your primary point of contact during this critical phase. Your role. You'll receive a welcome packet or email detailing the next steps and requesting initial information. You'll likely participate in a formal kickoff meeting. Bookkeeper 360's role. Introduce your onboarding team, explain the onboarding timeline, and set expectations for communication and data exchange. Phase 4. Information gathering and system setup. This is the most hands-on part of the onboarding, where Bookkeeper 360 gathers the necessary financial data and sets up your accounts within their systems. Financial data collection. You'll be asked to provide historical financial data. This could include prior year's tax returns, e.g., 1 to 3 years, bank statements, credit card statements, loan documents, prior period financial statements, income statement, balance sheet, details of outstanding accounts receivable, what clients owe you, and accounts payable, what you owe vendors, payroll reports, if applicable. Software access and integration. If you're already using accounting software, like QuickBooks Online or Xero, you'll grant Bookkeeper 360 access. They are experts in these platforms and will integrate with your existing setup. If you're moving from spreadsheets or starting fresh, they will set up your chosen accounting software from scratch. Bank and credit card feeds. They will guide you through connecting your bank and credit card accounts to the accounting software. This allows for automated transaction import, which is fundamental to efficient bookkeeping. This is a secure process, often using third-party financial data aggregators. App stack review. They'll ask about other business tools you use, e.g., POS systems, e-commerce platforms, payment processors like Stripe or PayPal. They'll discuss existing integrations or recommend new ones to ensure all financial data flows seamlessly into your accounting system. Chart of accounts review. They will review or help you set up a customized chart of accounts, which is the backbone of your accounting system. This ensures your financials are categorized accurately and provide meaningful insights for your specific business. Phase 5. Initial bookkeeping and catch-up, if applicable. Depending on the state of your books, Bookkeeper 360 might perform an initial catch-up period, reconciling past transactions and ensuring your books are clean and up-to-date before moving into ongoing monthly services. Your role: be available for questions or clarifications regarding past transactions. Bookkeeper 360's role: meticulously review historical data, categorize transactions, reconcile accounts, and prepare an accurate starting point for your ongoing bookkeeping. Phase 6. Introduction to your ongoing team and reporting. Once the initial setup is complete, you'll be introduced to your dedicated ongoing Bookkeeper 360 team, typically your bookkeeper and potentially an accounting manager or advisor. Your role: understand your reporting schedule and how to access your financial statements and dashboards. Bookkeeper 360's role: explain the regular communication cadence, how you'll receive your monthly financial reports, and how to use their client dashboard for a real-time view of your financials. They will also outline the process for submitting receipts and other information going forward. Key takeaways for businesses. Preparation is key. The smoother you can provide requested information and access, the faster and more efficient your onboarding will be. Organize your documents as much as possible beforehand. Communication is crucial. Don't hesitate to ask questions. A good onboarding process encourages an open dialogue.